When I look back into the days, the better days, things would be so smooth. People were dancing, people were smiling, the music was pumping, there was a feeling. Life was a party. The party was life. But somehow things change. It just don't feel the same. Have you ever thought about the days? You know, the better days. Do you ever try to come up with a way? You know.